Welcome back, everybody. Today we are talking about what is the time value of money. The heck is this dude talking about time value of money? Is this Chinese? Let's get into it. So here we go. What is the time value of money? I'll read this real quick and then I'll give you the broken down version. The time value of money is a foundational financial principle stating that money available today is worth more than the same amount in the future due to its potential earning capacity. And while that might seem pretty straightforward there, essentially the time value of money, what it really is a financial concept that we take into consideration when we're looking at a potential investment or decision making in the current. And basically what it's really talking about and what the time value of money is making decisions with the thought process that this money today is worth more than it would appear because of what it can do, the things it can provide, the investments it could be put into, the things it could purchase for me, all these types of things. So let's talk about it in a little more detail. Now let's walk through some concepts and some key concepts on the time value of money. So first up, we got interest and appreciation. So this is the simple part of it, and this is the concept that your money can make money, right? It can earn, therefore it's not worth just what it shows on the face. It can be worth more than that, whether it pays you income, whether it appreciates, one way or the other, it's worth more than it would seem. Next up, we have opportunity cost. So this is what am I missing out on by taking this choice over this choice, because when you're making decisions, odds are you're going to have multiple options in front of you to choose from, and you're going to have to make those decisions, and weighing what you could lose out on with the ones you're casting to the side is definitely something to take into consideration when making those decisions. Next up, we have inflation. So definitely we're going to want our earning potential to be able to outproduce inflation. But furthermore, we need to be aware that the price of stuff around us is going to go up. So the dollar today needs to be worth more, needs to be put to that work, and we need to take advantage of the time value of money in order to stave off the effects of that inflation, right? Not let those costs creep up on us and put us out. Finally, we have risk. We're always going to want to be weighing the risk in any particular situation. And I'm not just talking about the risk of something going up and down. I'm talking about the risk of certain things coming to pass, right? Going back to opportunity cost, if I choose this road over that road, this thing I'm missing out on, how likely is that to happen? If it's very, very likely, that is a risk that I want to consider and make sure I know the variables associated with how risky is this? How much uncertainty is there? Those are things we definitely want to think about. Now, are there ways to do time value of money calculations? And yes, of course there are, but we are not going to cover those in our Investing 101 series. You guys, that is crazy. If you want to know some calculations and be able to do some math around the time value of money, first of all, subscribe to this channel. Second of all, leave us a comment. I will get with you and give you all the nerdy stuff your little heart desires. And with that, you guys, as always, if you're looking for personalized advice, please consult a financial professional and make sure they steer you straight. And if you like this type of content, smash that like button, comment on the video, let us know what you think, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, you guys, that is Finance AF.